Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Do you have a pile of clothes you love but can't wear because of a small tear, a missing button, or a fit that's just not right anymore? Don't throw them out. Today, I'm going to show you some super easy ways to fix and alter your old clothes. No pro sewing skills required. Let's breathe new life into your wardrobe and save some money. First up, the classic missing button. This is probably the easiest fix of all. Most clothes come with a spare button sewn onto the care tag. All you need is a needle and some thread that matches your garment. Just line up the button and make a few simple stitches through the holes, creating an X or parallel lines. Tie a knot on the inside and you're done. It literally takes less than 5 minutes. Next, let's talk about small holes or tears, especially in your favorite jeans or t-shirts. For a quick and trendy fix, grab an iron-on patch. They come in tons of cool designs. Just place the patch over the hole, cover it with a thin cloth, and press a hot iron on it for about 30 seconds. This not only fixes the problem, but adds a personal touch to your clothes. Throw more invisible mend on a seam. Turn the garment inside out, pinch the torn seam together, and do a simple running stitch along the original seam line. Now for some simple alterations. Is a dress or a shirt a little too big and boxy? A belt is your best friend. Cinching it at the waist can instantly give you a more defined and flattering silhouette. BHL. If your pants are too long, you can create a clean no-sew hem using iron-on hemming tape. Just fold the pants to your desired length, place the tape inside the fold, and iron it. It creates a crisp, durable hem without a single stitch. What about a neckline that's too high? Carefully cut it to a V-neck or a scoop neck. The raw edge can look really cool and edgy on a t-shirt. For other fabrics, you can fold the new edge under and secure it with hemming tape or a simple hand stitch to prevent fraying. And there you have it. Simple, beginner-friendly ways to rescue your old clothes. Not only is this sustainable and budget-friendly, but it's also a great way to customize your style. So go dig through that to-fix pile and get creative. Thanks for watching. And if you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more DIY fashion ideas. See you next time.